Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the evaporator fan motor in a Jenn-Air refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new evaporator fan motor. The evaporator fan motor draws air through the evaporator coil and then circulates it throughout the entire refrigerator. There could be a couple of reasons why the evaporator fan motor should be replaced. The fan motor bearings may start making a loud noise, or the motor stops running completely, causing the temperature inside the fridge to rise. To get to the part, we need to remove the freezer door. Pull out the freezer door. Remove the top shelf. Lift up the door from the rails. Please note, do not grab it by the handle, it may break off. Push in both rails. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver and take out the bottom screw. And then next, remove the screw on the top on the right of the ice maker. And then loosen up the screw on the left. Press on the side tabs and remove the wire harness plug from the rear fridge plug. Here, on the right, is the freezer thermistor inside this cover. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into this slot and open the locking tab to release the cover. Remove the thermistor from the cover. Using the pliers, squeeze the tabs on the side of the ice maker plug in the left top corner and push it in. Push in clips at the back of the light cover and remove it. Now we need to remove the grill in the center. If you look carefully, you will see the word release on both sides of the grill at the top row. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the corner slots and open the locking tabs while lightly pulling the grill at the top. Locate the locking tab in the middle of the grill's bottom row and carefully push it up just enough to release the grill. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the 4 screws that hold the rear panel. Tilt the rear panel and work the panel out of its place. You may need to bend it slightly, and yes, be careful, it has sharp edges. Push on the locking tabs and disconnect the wire harness plug on the left. Now, take out the 2 1/4-inch screws that hold the evaporator motor shroud. Pull the evaporator motor shroud assembly out. Pull off the fan blade. Take a picture of the order that the wires are connected. Use the flat blade screwdriver to take off the 2 wires from the motor and the green ground wire. Take note that the motor is installed with its terminals facing the left side. Push up the motor clip and undo it from the shroud. Pull out the evaporator motor. Make sure the upper grommet stays on the shroud. This is the old evaporator fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new motor with the shaft up into the upper grommet. Place the motor clip on the motor, push it up and lock the side tabs. Next, place the wires on the motor terminals. Push on the fan blade as far as it can go. Install the motor shroud assembly back and secure it with the 2 1/4-inch screws. Connect the wire harness plug on the left. Work the bottom of the rear panel into place. It may take some time, please be patient. Place the thermistor outside the panel. Reach behind the rear panel and catch the ice maker plug. Push the ice maker connector plug through the opening until it locks in. Place your finger through the hole and fish out the water inlet tube. Push the rear panel back and secure it with 4 1/4-inch screws. Now we need to install the air grill. Just place it in the center and push it in so all 3 tabs will lock. Insert the front tabs into the openings and push up the light cover. Connect the ice maker harness to the plug at the rear panel. Make sure the water inlet tube is above the inlet cup. And secure the ice maker with the 3 1/4-inch screws. Pull out the rails and install the freezer door. First, insert the rear tabs and then lower down the door so the front tabs lock on both sides. Install the top shelf. And now, when we're done with the repair, close the freezer door, plug the fridge back in, and enjoy your fresh produce. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.